Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing a braided ponytail, which is a cute toddler hairstyle. So to start off, I'm just going to wet the hair down using a water spray bottle. Next, I'm going to part the hair down the center. And then what I'm going to do is with the left side, I will just clip it into place so it's out of the way. Next, I'm going to create 3 ponytails at a diagonal on the right side of the head. So to do this, I'm just using my comb to make a nice part line. I'll wet the hair down and then put an elastic into place. I think here it's fun to use colorful elastics if you have them. I will link below where you can get the elastics that I use and any materials that you see in this video. I think that wetting the hair down really helps to make these part lines here. So wet the hair down and just comb it out until it looks the way you want it to look. And don't be afraid to go back in and do your parts over again. Once I have my 3 ponytails in place, I'm just going to clip them up and out of the way so that they're not a problem for me. Next, I'm going to come in and create a side low ponytail. So to do that, I'm just going to gather the hair up, use my favorite spray gel, which again, I will link below in the description box. And then I'm just going to brush the hair out till I smooth it down completely. Once I've smoothed all the hair out, I'm going to use a thick elastic to hold it into place. From there, I'm going to braid these smaller ponytails. So before I braid, I always like to use a little bit of spray gel, and then I'll just comb through the ponytails. Next, I will come in and start making a 3-strand braid with each of these smaller 3 braids. So I'm not using a ton of elastics. What I like to do is just get a clip and attach it below the elastic where I'm going to put it in. That way, when I get all 3 of my braids done, I can use one elastic to hold them into place. But if for some reason that doesn't work for you, just put an elastic at the bottom of it. Once you've finished up with all of your braids, take an elastic, position the ponytails where you want them, pull out your clip, and then put your elastic into place. This next step is optional, but I like to take out the rubber band and re-put it in. That way when I do my braid, it just looks a little bit cleaner. So from there, I'm just going to use a little bit more spray gel, and then I'm going to continue braiding down into a 3-strand braid. You want to continue braiding until your hair starts splitting out the side and you're getting a lot of flyaways. When that happens, that's when you want to stop and put in your elastic. And I always like to finish off this style by putting in a cute bow. I hope you guys like this style. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel by hitting the red button below.